I came in with tired hands and a heart too worn to hide. You met me where I was, with mercy by your side. The shadows in my chest could not outrun your light. You called me still your child and made the broken right. So I'm laying down my fear at the feet of perfect love. You are faithful through the dark, you are enough. I run to you, I run to you. Grace is calling me home. I run to you, I run to you. Jesus, you won't let go. You hold my heart, you hold my soul. I run to you, I run to you. When the morning hurts again and the day comes hard and long, you are bread for every hunger, you are strength for every song. In the valley, in the wait, when my prayers are barely sound, your living word still stands and your peace comes rushing down. So I'm laying down my pride at the feet of perfect love. You are holy through it all, you are enough. You are the way through the water, the hope that splits the night. You are the Lamb who carried my shame into your light. I believe your promise still is yes. I believe you are my righteousness. Break every chain, wake every heart. Let your kingdom come, let it start in us. I run to you. Grace is calling me home. I run to you, I run to you. Jesus, you won't let go. You hold my heart, you hold my soul. I run to you, I run to you. I come alive in your presence, I rest beneath your throne. I was lost, but now